Okay guys, changing carbon monoxide detector. I already removed this box right here, the black one. This is that's the old one. This is the plate which was attached, and then that's the box. And before you do that, make sure the circuit breaker is off. So I can check the voltage from this, so it doesn't beep. So there's no voltage at all here, so I can touch it, nothing will happen. So now I'm going to throw this away. The new one is going to be the round one, and the round plate. So I have to disconnect this old wire and put this new set of wires. Connect the black ones to black and the white ones to white. So it's pretty easy. So I'm going to start doing that. So basically, let me put this down. Okay, now I'm going to take the, let me move this ladder a little bit. I'm going to take this one off too. Okay, and so the white one came off. Now if I put the new wire, connect the new white one here. We go up once. Okay. Okay, just push the wire off, and this screw it. Okay, so the white wire is connected. Now, remove the black one. Let's see. Yep, it came off. You can see the black coming off. Okay, so we don't need this one anymore. So I'm going to connect the connect the black one to the black. It's right here. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and this red one we don't use it at all, so I'm going to just everything will be pushed inside the box over there. It all should go in. So basically they're all going in. Okay. And I'm going to put this round plate through this, and I got to get those two screws. So Basically, I'm going to push everything in. They all need to go in. And one. Okay. Now, I've got two places here to attach. Let's see where it folds. Let me get some light. Okay. I think it's going to go right here. That goes right there. Hopefully this. Oh, let me go and put the screws first. It's better to put these screws first. Okay. Get this screwdriver here. Okay. Okay, so this is going to go right through that and turn it whichever way I want. Probably this way is better. This is better. Okay, now you can go and tighten it up. Okay. Okay, it's all done, and I'm going to attach the carbon monoxide detector to this. Okay, and let me go ahead and tighten the other screw. Not too much because it's a plastic cover. Okay, it's all in place. Now this one basically gets attached. Okay. Before that, I need to pull this out. So that pull-out tab to activate the backup battery. There is a backup battery here, so I'm going to just pull this. You hear the sound. So now I attach this one right here to this pin. The pin goes right here. Yeah, basically the pin. Okay, so connected. Okay, so it locks in. It has to lock in at the end. So it's all connected. And attach this. Basically, just put it in and turn it. And it should stay. See there? It stays in. All done. It's fixed. So we got a new carbon monoxide detector. It's pretty easy, and the same thing works for smoke detector also. You can change the smoke detector this way. And this is a 10-year detector, so we don't want to have to do anything for 10 years. So now I can turn on the circuit breaker. Okay guys, see you all on the next project.